Hey guys, this is Jess. I figured I would do a very quick rundown of how anybody, even a total beginner, can get started with creating and selling digital products. So, digital products has been kind of a side hustle. I'm getting a little bit more into it now just because I'm kind of realizing how big of a potential there is. But let's just talk about, total revenue that you can make. So, right here, you can see my total revenue. Like I said, I've been doing it seriously for a little bit over a year. Not even really seriously. It's just been kind of one of my, side incomes. When people buy a digital product, great. I give a few bucks, but it's not something I've ever really focused on or promoted or done any type of advertising for, right? So in case you want to see what this actually looks like, guys, this is a Stan Store. Super cheap, super easy to set up. It basically functions as a website, but let me show you what it looks like. So this is my Stan Store, okay? And I basically help Airbnb hosts or people who want to be Airbnb hosts learn about Airbnb, set up their account, get started, access different resources and tools, everything like that, okay? So these are all the things that I have on my store, and you basically just, let me go back to it, you basically just create a template. So this is like what it looks like, and you can go change the look of it. This is what it would look like on a cell phone, but you can go change the look of it. You can go in here, edit your different products, what you want it to look like, change all your text, change your photos, all that. Let's go back into my quick start guide, and I'm going to show you what this guide looks like, okay? So again, checkout page, it kind of includes what all is in here, and then this is the guide, the quick start guide. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've done another video where I've actually created this, just copied and pasted all the information into this program that makes it look pretty, which is what it looks like here, okay? So to create something like this, guys, you could get it done in a day, all right? You can get it done in a couple hours if you wanted to. When I first started creating digital products, I got the very first draft of my Airbnb guide created, and I learned how to use and got my entire Stan Store, this thing right here, created and set up in about 4 hours, okay? So think about what that means. 4 hours worth of work setting up my Stan Store, which is super, super easy. I can do a video on that if you guys want to know. And if you guys use my link, I'll put it in the description, but you guys will get a free trial of Stan Store, so you can test it out and not have to pay for it. But it's pretty cheap. They have, I don't know if they have different plans actually, but their main plan is like super cheap. I think it's maybe 20 or 25 bucks a month. But like I said, I'll put a link if you guys want to try it for free. But getting my Stan Store set up, guys, it was on a Saturday. I got my Stan Store set up. I created my Airbnb quick start guide, which is this right here. However, this is like a revised draft. So the first time I made it, it was a little less pretty. It was just in a Word document, so it didn't have the photos. It was literally just me kind of, copying and pasting all these different scripts and my templates and all this information that I had, kind of organizing it into a Word document. And then I sold that Word document as a PDF. Now, this is the revised version, so it looks prettier, and I put it into a different software to make it look like that. But 4 hours worth, let me go back, 4 hours worth of just creating your Stan Store, something to sell it on, right? So you have a link that people can go visit and shop your products, right? It's like a link tree or, something like that. So creating that, and then creating your guide or whatever information you have to put out there, whatever PDF or ebook that you want to sell or template, whatever. Took me 4 hours, and that's how much money I made from 4 hours worth of work, okay? That's it. So when I talk about the potential as far as trading your time for money, the potential to make money with digital products, just creating them, because you're creating something one time and you're selling it over and over and over and over again. So that's the beauty of digital products. That's why you see people making so much money with digital products. And guys, this is something that I've decided to really take seriously. My other business ventures are kind of running on their own. So I'm going to try to see how far I can really take the digital product game in this next year. So if you like this video, please comment, please like, And please subscribe. Let me know any questions or any other content you want to see related to digital products, and I'm happy to share with you.